Hey, what's up, traders? Hey, ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Come on, bro. Do it with me. I know last video, I think I forgot to do it. It's MET. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? And man, I'm trying to. God damn, I smacked the shit out of me. Fuck. Hey, what's good with y'all, man? Today I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And, hey, man, today we are in a pair USD-JP. Damn, I'm dehydrated as hell, bro. Fuck. What? Damn. Alright. Yeah. Today we are on the pair Audusd. My bad. I'm fucking up already. Not a good start. But you know, it's not about how you start, it's about how you fucking finish. You feel me? I mean that on the chart and in the bedroom. If you know, you know. But yeah, man, today, man, we just on the charts trying to catch a dub on Audusd. Once again, my lot sizes are not all the way like I would like them to be. But hey, man, sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't like cookies, bro, that's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. And at the end of the day, so you still got some cookies. You feel me? It may not be the cookie that you wanted. You know, freaky ass motherfuckers. I know what you're thinking. I know what type of cookies you thinking about. Fucking freak. But yeah, man. I'm gonna begin to break this down as soon as I gotta get my take profit. Did I send this to the chat? Yeah, okay, cool. Hey, man, first of all, hold on. If you're not in the Discord, bro, make sure you go check out the Discord. I send signals. It's just full of like, it's almost 400 members in there, full of all types of traders, new traders, intermediate traders, advanced traders, and all that type of good stuff. So, man, make sure you go hop on the Discord. You might low key find your wife in there, bro. I don't know. Look, I'm telling you. Just click the link in the description down below, bro, and just go get up in there, man. Get your ass up in there, bro. So, yeah. Another thing is, if you are interested in the way I trade, click the link. Fuck. I can never get a video without stuttering. Click the link in the description down below, and you can find my course. If you're not interested in it, cool, fine. I'm not finna sit here and talk about it all day. It's just something. If you like the way I trade, want to learn, boom. Alright, that's down there. And my Instagram down there too, bro. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead, bro. Go ahead and drop a follow. I don't know why the fuck I just did that. I have no honest explanations for that, bro. My bad. You had to see that shit. But yeah, man, we finna get straight into this. I gotta get my shit marked up. I'm over here talking about shit, and I'm over here fucking rambling. All right, so we right about this, right? Yeah. So we got it on this candle. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, we did get under this candle. Yeah, that previous candle. All USD. Okay. Where the fuck did we get, bro? I be struggling when it comes to entries. Oh, okay, yeah, I did get under that candle. It just put me above. So, cause like spread and shit. So I mean, I guess we could do this. Stops are not here no more. They're at break even. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm actually gonna be targeting for all this though. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, so maybe I am. Maybe I am. I don't know. Maybe I am, bro. We just gonna see, goddammit. Y'all know where I got it at. Y'all see it. Yeah. So before this trade, I did end up taking a L. You know, I ain't afraid to admit it. USD JPY actually gave me a L. You know, to be honest, yeah. I gotta look at what I was looking for there. Let me see if I can show y'all real quick. Since we waiting, hopefully this joint hit TP. What the fuck was I? What was my zone? Okay, I missed this beautiful trade. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta make sure you do. Gotta make sure you know what I'm saying. You still going. Fuck, I'm tired as hell. I don't, bro. I think it was this candle right here. This zone right here. think so, bro. I'm tired of shit. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, it ended up breaking above this wick right here, and then it debated me. It was like, ha, nigga, ha, and I was like, damn, bro, you really gonna do me like that, GJ? I mean, UJ. I mean, yeah, UJ. My bad. But yeah, man. I mean, I guess I could just talk about why I got in this trade. So fuck it, let's do it. So first thing first. Okay. So first thing first. Let's just go on this right here. This is AU. Yeah, AU. So first thing first, man. We are above the SMA. We're above the SMA. That's my very first thing right there. The second thing is I see a sort of a W pattern right here, and the way we respected this zone when we touched it, well, two candles wicked out above this zone. Well, once we touched the zone, was like, okay, it's having some type of reaction, right? So boom, I saw. So look, it go like this. I'm saying we gonna hit some door shit. We gonna uno dos tres, right? So uno. See, look, you get education too, bro. You feel me? Let me be a Spanish teacher. Look, not only you learn Forex, but you learn Spanish too. So, whoa. Hmm. Whoa. Whoa. Fuck all that. What we doing? What what happened? What happened? Hold on, we gonna get back to the Spanish lesson in a second, bro. Hold on. Well, maybe shit. If we maybe maybe yeah, no, I could. Hold on, your lesson might be canceled, bit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, your lesson might be canceled. If AU ain't acting right, I ain't acting right. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, we were pushing up great. We just gonna wait. We gonna try to wait. Oh, okay. All right. We're at break even. I'm trying to see. I want to see it start seeing a push up soon though, but I saw this little 3 minute little candle. Yeah, I think I might get out. No cap, bro. Shit's just looking horrendous. Damn. Well, that just shows you. If it break below this wick again, I'ma just get up. Well, that just shows you to go. Shit happens. You know, shit can happen real quick. That was a crazy ass. That was crazy. That was crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That was crazy. Hey man, it be like that, bro. Shit, what can I say? Shit, y'all watched it. It was going so smooth, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It was going so smooth. We was like what? We reached a smooth, not even 1-to-1. Not even 1-to-1. Um, looking up levels to see what. Damn, bro, what the fuck? This shit just, I don't know. That shit just fucking destroyed me. I'm not gonna lie, that shit is wild. Low key should have got out of break even, but I low key, the reason I didn't get out of break even is because I just wanted to see if it was gonna react to this area right here. Let me see, I'm gonna draw it up for y'all. Yeah, I just wanted to see if it was gonna react to that right there, and looked like it didn't. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna be taking my loss today. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I'm not gonna lie, but I had a really good week though, so I'm not even mad. I won a trade every day this week except for today. So yeah, man, we just gonna hop off here. I know we got news at 7:30, but yeah, I think I told y'all my confirmations what I was looking for right here. It looked like a real good zone though, I'm not gonna lie. It really did. I'm saying we had these two candles wick. Looked like a nice little W pattern. got in at the break of the candle, pushed all the way up, and it pushed all the way down. But I low key definitely should have got out at break even. Once I saw these two candles, once I saw this wick and then I saw this wick and then start to push down. But hey man, it is what it is, bro. This is just this shit happens, you know. This shit just didn't want to go up. It was just feeling some type of way, and yeah. So hey man, hopefully you guys learned something. I don't know what you would probably learn. Maybe they just, I don't know, that I don't win all the time. I mean, I post shit like this. Don't really care. I mean, if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. Hey, it is what it is. But hey, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, bro. Just end of the video. You can go ahead and click off. I know you tired of this shit. Click off the video, bro.